Hi again, everybody. It's Julie James, and I'm going to do my video introduction for our statistics class next. Little bit of information about me. Let's see. I live in Northeast Kansas, grew up in Topeka, now work in a critical access hospital in Southeast Nebraska, about 20 minutes from where I live. I graduated with my BSN in December of '98, so almost 22 years ago. It doesn't seem possible that it's been that long. Um, my nursing experience, I worked in Topeka, in PACU and the ED, did some charge nurse in the PACU, really loved that. And then about 10 years ago, my husband got a job up here in Hiawatha, so we moved here. And now I'm working at a critical access hospital. In my current facility, I work on the med-surg floor, and I prefer to work in the ER, but I don't do that quite as much anymore. Since I started back to work on my MSN, I just started in May. I'm looking for opportunities to get practice teaching, so I am starting the CPI training at my facility. I went in August and got trained to be a leader or a trainer in that. And my first class is in the morning, and I'm a little bit nervous, but the girls that are in that class are going to be amazing, so that'll be all right. Let's see what else. Oh, my goals are to be, I'm getting my education, MSN in education. My goal is to be a clinical educator. I love working with baby nurses who have just gotten their, past their NCLEX, and they're either coming to the hospital to do their clinicals with their instructors, or they have just gotten their past their NCLEX and they're coming as brand new fresh nurses to the floor, and I love getting them oriented and trying to help them think through the ways things happen and remembering myself how to verbalize the steps I go through that, are kind of ingrained in my head that I'm just so used to doing. I won't say that I won't be working in classroom, but I think at this point, really, my goal is to work, like I said, as a clinical educator, maybe in an ED. I really would like to get to a magnet hospital and just the opportunities that those facilities afford. Um, a place that listens to their nurses and wants the best from their staff, and the more you give, the more you get. And so that's kind of what's in the back of my mind right now. But like I said, I just started, so I don't know what's going to happen. I have 3 kiddos. My oldest is just about done with his very first semester of college at USM proper. He graduated in 19 and then went to basic last year, and his AIT training, and so now he's in college, and this has been a really, really rough semester for him, and I wanted so much for him in college, and it has not been anything like what I had hoped it would be for him. With all the corona stuff, it's just making things miserable. My middle child, my daughter, is a junior and going to school here in Hiawatha, and my baby is a freshman, and he is 14. And let's see what else. I homeschooled them all from the time they were babies until my daughter went to public school her freshman year, my youngest his 7th grade year, and my oldest halfway through his sophomore year. He started public school and then graduated at the high school. So that's sort of what led into me deciding to go back to school, because I don't need to be educating them anymore. I'm going to go back and educate myself. I love education. I think that knowledge is super important and it should be valued, and Everyone needs to know how to learn and have a vision and a goal of continual learning, in my opinion. So that's kind of what I believe and who I am. I like to crochet, I like to garden, but mostly I just like to be lazy. So that's me in a nutshell. I look forward to getting to know everybody. Have a great week.